Hi everybody, this is Angelique Tsang, the founder of Superwomen Babes. Superwomen Babes is a global online and offline community that I founded because I felt that we sometimes as women, when we are so career oriented, can get out of touch with the inner babe. And what the inner babe is, you can see on the video that I created for the superwomenbabes.com website. Why I'm making this video is because next week, Saturday, or maybe it's this week already, Claire Brummel, Sophie Claire Thorpe, and I came up with a crazy spontaneous idea to at the last minute organize a drinks night where we have an excuse to dress up and to look beautiful and sexy and to celebrate being a woman, inspiring each other, connecting to each other, making new friendships, new business partnerships, and just having fun. So please save the date. If you're in London, do come and bring your friends, and it's from 6 p.m. onwards, somewhere in London. We will confirm the location. I'd love to have you there, and please dress to impress or not.